This video about this Husky drain bladder is designed to expand, as you see. I'm going to cover more. You go to Home Depot or any hardware store, you find different variety of sizes. They're all designed for different pipe sizes, and they are different price, as you see, from varying from $10 to $21, depending on the size you need. We bought the small one. The biggest pipe for this one you could use is 2-inch pipe. So that's very common for the household. What I wanted to do is, before you buy, I wanted to give you a better idea of what it does if you haven't seen it before. When I found it, I thought that was interesting. The way it's constructed, I don't know what's inside. However, this is what happens. When you add water, it swells up. Then the pressure is transferred out with the water. From the look of it, from the use of it, it looks like the garden hose that you typically use is similar pressure. But what happens is, in the pipe, you cannot use the garden hose handheld sprayer. So this would have to work. It's designed for multiple purposes. The manufacturer goes as far as saying that you could use it for the tub and the sink, but as long as you insert at least 6 inch into the pipe. Because I'll show you why they recommend this, that at least you go in 6 inches, and they recommend for tubs to go in by the overflow. Because when I want to show you a quick demonstration with this PVC pipe. You see that pressure coming out? That's what it would do if there was a clog at the drain somewhere. So the pressure, it's not as powerful as the pressure washer. It's more like the pressure of the garden hose. So this should work. I haven't used it for any kind of clog. So this is what I want to show you. I'm going to bring the PVC down a little bit to show you the expansion that happens. So once you turn it on, the bladder gets bigger and it seals up. And then it holds on to the pipe and it squirts out the water. That's how it works. That's why it's important to push it down at least 6 inches from the drain of whichever clearing you're working on. If you're doing the sink, you should go 6 inches. If you're using it on the tub, you should go down through the overflow. So this medium drain bladder, it's supposed to clear 1.5 to 3 inches drains by expanding in drain. For demonstration, we use the 2-inch pipe. It's supposed to force the water pressure through the clog. The bladder is designed for the use with the garden hose only, and they give you a lifetime warranty. For a double bowl kitchen sink, make sure the bladder clears the point where 2 drain intersects. So I connected to the garden hose to give you a better idea of the expansion looks like. This is like using a garden hose with your typical sprayer. The pressure is pretty much the same. You see it. I'm demonstrating it on the patio to show you the kind of pressure it shoots out. This is very handy when you have it pushed, into a drain, which is gonna, dislodge any debris or any clog that is stuck in the middle of the piping or the drainage, which is supposed to make it better. If the clog is not going, then you might have to use snake. As long as you have the garden hose handy, you could go ahead and use it I used it for the outside drain. So this is what it looks like. You push it down. Had it been a sink or something, and you make sure the water is off. And then when you're ready, when you have it in place, you turn the water on, and the water pressure will dislodge any clog you have in your drain. In this case, it's clearing up the debris stuck in a P-trap of a sink, single sink in the kitchen or bathroom. If you have a garden hose big enough, I don't think the garden hose will go down the bathroom sink. It's designed mainly for the kitchen sink. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.